Okay. Where is it? I got you too.
You got me?
Yeah, in your chest.
Really?
Dead man. Dead man. Dead man. Dead man. Dead man.
Hey, come on.
Dead man. Dead man.
Oh,
Dead
oh
man.
I did.
Dead man. Dead man. Dead man. This is the respawn. You can't get shot in here.
I know.
Yay, let's shoot people! Where are you? Oh, I got you! I got you! I dropped the shell! I dropped the shell! I dropped the shell! Ah, hit! I dropped the shell somewhere. Okay, thank you. I was hopping around. I was like, oh, there goes the shell. Thank you. Dead man. Dead man. This isn't respawn, just so you know.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Let's go! Yes, 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 yes. Are you dead? Now he is. Ah, I shot him in the back. I watched all 3 BBs bounce off, but okay. Dead man. Ah,
Sorry,
it's okay, it's instant. Just. Don't shoot friendlies. Go, go, go.
I'm still thinking on Bluetooth.
Right there. Knife kill, knife kill. You're dead.
What?
Knife kill.
What?
I knife killed you. If I tag you in the back, you're dead instantly.
Oh.
Dead man. Dead man. Yay. Dead man. Dead man. Dead man. Yay, let's go. Oh.
Hey.
What? Thanks. Bang, bang. Bang. Are you going to call it? Okay.
That man. them.
Okay.
That one guy, I don't think he's shooting. If anything, one can get me.
Okay.
Remember to wind your magazine. You're a dry fire.
Hit. It's okay. Good man. I was trying to chase the guy around to get into his building.
I don't know what's going on.
Let's go. Oh, sorry, dude. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Dead man. Dead man. Dead man. Dead man. Hit. Again. Hit. Dead man. Dead man. Hit. Good shot. Good man. Good man. Good thing for ear protection. I'm tired. I'm so tired of chasing you guys. I think I was the only one on my team out of the respawn.
I think, yeah, I was running around chasing you.